Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are excited to present TransitOps, a smart operation platform designed to digitally transform the way logistics and fleet management companies operate. Many transport organizations still rely on spreadsheets, manual record, and disconnected systems to manage their daily operations. These often results in scheduling conflicts, underutilized vehicles, delayed maintenance, inaccurate expense tracking, expired driving license, and a lack of real-time operational visibility. Our solution addresses these challenges by providing a centralized role-based platform that manages the complete transport life cycle from vehicle registration to driver management to trip dispatching and maintenance tracking, fuel expenses management and business analytics. The platform supports multiple stakeholders including fleet managers, dispatchers, safety operators, and financial analysts. Each user is provided with a role-based access, ensuring that they can securely access only their features relevant to their responsibility. From a technical perspective, we have designed TransitOps as a modern full-stack web application. The front-end focuses on the clean and intuitive dashboard that is composed of React.js components, and the backend is uh, provided with all critical business rules such as preventing overload vehicles, ensuring drivers' expired licenses cannot be assigned trips, automatically updating the vehicles and driver statuses throughout the trip life cycle. The backend of the app is designed with the fast API with Python components. One of the highlights of our solution is automation. For example, dispatching a trip instantly marks both the assigned vehicle and the driver on trip. Completing or cancelling the trip automatically restores their availability, where scheduling maintenance immediately removes a vehicle from the dispatch pool until service is complete. In addition to our analytics, dashboard provides a valuable operational metrics such as fleet utilization, fuel efficiency, operational costs, vehicle return on investment, enabling organizations to make informed data decisions. Then ultimately, TransitOps is not just a fleet management system, it is an intelligent operational platform that improves efficiency, enhances safety, reduces manual effort, and provides complete visibility into transport operations. Now I would like to introduce our platform to you. Let's give it a small walkthrough. So as you could see that this is our landing page, which is there to guide you like different kind of sectors, like it is confused with the uh, registry part, the dispatch part, and the costing part, which includes the fleet inventory, smart dispatching, costing odds, etc. Now, as highlighting our features, we have highlighted some point that Transit Ops coordinates the operation across all the secured paths. It includes the operations such as assist registry, operator verification, live run management, operator ROI, margins, etc. Like these are some FAQ questions like how does the platform enforce the cargo limit? When dispatchers schedule a trip, they force to enter their cargo weight. The system automatically validates it against the vehicle's maximum registered load, block dispatch if it is overloaded. Now, next question I would like to highlight that can I export a data for accounting? Yes. Like finance analyst can generate and export the complete backend data and operation expenditure in a spreadsheet to a standard CSV format with the feature called export CSV in a dedicated button, which I would like to highlight in the next section. Okay, let's move to the page. Like here, as you could see that there are four roles. One is the fleet manager, one is the dispatcher, one is the safety operation of officer, and one is the financial analyst. Let's see through each and every section one by one. Okay, as you could see, the fleet managers have the access to the registration number of all the vehicles, which is and also depicting the model of the vehicle, and also depicting the type of vehicle and capacity of vehicle, odometer of the vehicle, and the acquisition cost of each and every vehicle. So, and like the current status of the vehicle, whether it is available on or a trip or a shop or in retired, maybe different kind of statuses to which provides the real-time access to the vehicle. Second is the maintenance thing. Like here you could see that the different vehicles are listed for different kind of maintenance services they are going through. Like some of them are in shop, and also you could see that some of them have already completed their maintenance part and they are now ready to move. Okay, next coming to the next section, which is the dispatcher section. So as you could see, the dispatcher section mainly consists of two parts. One is your dashboard part, another is your trips part. As in the dashboard part, you could see that it show all the major KPI cards, such as how many vehicles are there in the road, among which available vehicles at how many, and among among which how many vehicles are undergoing any kind of maintenance, which vehicles are in active trips, which have pending trips completed, and which and also depicts that how many drivers are on duty. It also depicts that the fleet utilization of the drivers is that mm, like here it is mentioned at 81%, but the real value may vary upon the kind of stages that we are going to face. Next one is the trips, which basically depicts the kind of trip that a vehicle is undergoing, like if it is like on a trip, or it may be draft, or the trip is maybe cancelled, or you can there may be different kind of things, like let's see the filter through which we could see that like different things, like here we could see that the destination is like Kalka depot, the dispatch. Okay, the value is updated here, you could see. And next, I think this part is completed, and we are going to the next part. Okay, coming to the safety officer. Safety officer has some sort of following features, such that safety officer could access to the different kind of drivers available to them, like he has the access to the data of the driver, that who is the driver, what is his license number, what kind of category he is riding, and what is the expiry date of his license, and what is his contact number, like how many trips the driver have completed so far now, whether his vehicle is safe or not, like whether the status of the driver is there or not, like whether it is available, suspended, or on a trip. Like we also put in the particular kind of driver, we could say that we can see the status of the selected driver is changed to available. Okay, we could also change the status of the driver, like whether if it is suspended, or if it is off duty, we could change its sections to available, or if it is available there, then by any chance of any sort of irregularities, we could change its status to off duty, or may suspend them. Then by the compliance, like compliance and safety audits define the total number of drivers along with their safety score, and also depicts the total number of expired license of the drivers so far, and also it depicts the high risk audits such as one. Like here, different kind of drivers have listed, like Rahul Kumar, Vikram Singh, Amit Sarma, Sandeep Yadav, Paras Patel, and all. So depicts their full compliance status, like whether their vehicle or their driving capabilities are there in safe hands or not. Okay, the final role is the financial analyst. We are going to see that how finance is associated with each road trip and the driver. Next, this is consists of two sections, like fuel expenses and analytics. The fuel lux has the following sections, like 105 truck, 11 mini 03 vehicles. So far the listed vehicles we have done till now, and also it mentions the liter of fuel they have utilized till now. Sorry. Then also the date of the travel, like 105 had travelled on 5 July 2026, truck 11 on 6 July 2026, vehicle number 1 has travelled on 7th of July 2026, and the cost of their vehicle is also mentioned here. And also you could file new log file here, that mentioning the type of vehicle, the date of the travel, the liters of the fuel utilized, and the cost of the vehicle. And other expenses are also mentioned there, like what kind of trip it is, like trip ID basically is defined here, then what kind of vehicle it is, then what is the toll that has been imposed on the vehicle. Then other expenses are also there, that may depend upon different kind of sections, and also like what kind of toll it may be. Then coming to the status section, then status is whether it is vehicle available, completed, or different kind of section. Then here it is the analytics part, which depends the fuel efficiency, fleet utilization, operational cost, vehicle return of interest, and also the bar graph representing the different kind of monthly revenue generated by each and every vehicle. Also, it also depicts the top costless vehicle, like whether it is truck 11, mini 03, van 05, etc. Okay, so this is our project, and so far we have done. This is a part of our competitive hackathon in Odoo. So I would like to all panel members to review our project thoroughly. With that, we would like to walk through our system and demonstrate how TransitOps simplifies and modernizes fleet management from end to end. Thank you.